Hi, so welcome. In this video, I'm going to just be talking about how you can change the look of your home page. I'm not going to do any navigation or other pages just yet. I'll save that for another video. Okay, so we have the template we created in the last video. I don't like the look of it. It looks pretty boring. I'm sure you'll agree. Okay, first thing I want to do is change this background. All right, so I'm going to go to themes. I like the Aristotle theme, so I'm going to go with this one, but you can choose it from a selection. Now you can change the color, or you can change the font style. I'm going to leave it as it is. You're not stuck with this though. You can also put in images. So you see this little button here, change image. You can upload one, you can select one. So you can do this by picking some of the presets, or you can upload your own from your Google Drive or something from your PC, or you can use the integrated Google image search. Say for example, you wanted your background to be books. Let's go with that one. You'd press select, and then that's your background. Okay? Now, I'm going to go back to where it was before for Aristotle, so I'm just going to press the undo button. Nice and easy, straight to it. Okay. Now, you need to think about what you want your homepage to look like. I like to put dividers in between each of my blocks, okay? So if we call this a block, I want to put a divider now because I'm going to put stuff underneath it. That goes straight there. Okay, you can drag this around and put it in different places. So once I've got something under here, I could drag it and put it underneath it. We'll leave it there for now. You can then include layouts. Okay, so there are a number of layouts that you can include. You've got the basic one where you'd have like an image and then some text. You can drag things into this. Okay, so if you have a YouTube video down here or something, then you could put it in there. So you can select from images the same way that I did before. As you see. And if, say for example, if I had a YouTube video, I'm just going to put one in. I have a link already. So that's my first video. I could leave it here if I wanted to, or I can drag it into this box. Okay, and then a student would be able to play that straight away. So if we look at the preview, this is on a phone. There you go. This is what it looks like on a computer. Okay. Now you can move all of this stuff around, so you can make things bigger by dragging it. And you can see in the background here that there are lines behind it, so that you can measure. So say for example, if I wanted to put two videos next to each other, I'd measure from this first line, and I go past the first two to that one, all the way to this one, and then down. And then if I was to put another one here, I can make it the same size by following those lines that appear when I'm dragging it. You can enter your text. You can change this, make it bigger, normal text, something small, bold, italics, etc., etc. Okay, and you can change the background of this as well. You can go to the palette. You can pick one of these basic ones. So you can see it's changed the background here. Or again, like everything else, you can go to image, upload your own, or select an image using the Google search or any of these various presets. Okay, so that's one way of layering something out. There are others, so you can do that one. You can see Google just adds it below, etc., 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 and you can do all the same things with these. Okay, so that's how you actually start laying out your Google site. You can do a number of other things as well, put in text boxes, drag images straight into this, embed links, take things from your own Google Drive. You can also add these specific things down here. So again, YouTube videos, buttons for navigation. You don't need to use buttons. So image carousels, so that when a student opens it, it automatically flicks through pictures. And you can also include documents, slide sheets, forms. And it's important to remember as well that a student can look at these within this site. They don't need to download them and open them somewhere else. They can open them, expand them, and everything from here on their phones, on their tablets, on their laptops. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you start setting up other pages and how you would navigate to them.